So hey everybody, this is Eddie. It's Sunday, I think January 15th, and I'm out here with my twin.
Twinsies!
You think I'm lying? That's my twin.
Up?
Identical twin. Separated at birth.
That's right. So don't we look alike?
Yeah, well, maybe because of these motorcycles. Yeah, I know.
The really crazy thing is the clean one is dead.
Yeah, that's the crazy part. So, what'd you think when I come home with a red bike?
I thought imitation is the greatest form of flattery that mediocrity can pay to greatness. Oscar Wilde.
I think that's actually what he thought. Robby and I started off our day at Matthew's getting a good breakfast before our ride, and despite these photos, we were both pretty happy about it. And I had to take a moment and just admire these two bikes. They're both the Firefighter Edition. His is a 2005, mine's a 2007. And we rode for about 5 hours or so, 5 hours in the saddle today on a day when the wind chill was down in the low 30s.